Hi there guys and girls, good evening. Merry Christmas to each every one of you. I'm here in Santa Lucia. I'll be dropping my 24 entries for this raffle, Jingle Bells raffle promo. This could be my third time joining for this promo. The second time around wasn't able to win it. I don't know. Maybe this could be my time to win for this raffle. So let's give it a try guys and girls. I'm gonna drop this one now. So guys and girls, if you have time, you can still catch up for this raffle. Oh gosh, sorry. By the way, Merry Christmas to every one of you. Hope you had a great time last night for your Noche Buena, okay? See that? And the fourth one should be on December 31. So you can still have time.